Hari Om children, this is exercise number 5.5, Roman number 4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. The first sum is sine squared x. Here we are going to use a different formula which is chain rule. In your book, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. This can be this formula is with respect to t, and here in our sums we will be using with respect to u. Whichever variable we are using, we will be using that formula. Clear children? So first take a sine squared x as y. As usual, y is equal to sine squared x. Now this squared I will take it outside. So y becomes sine x the whole square. Now I am going to substitute u for this sin x. Okay. Let u is equal to sin x. That is, instead of sin x, I can use u. Clear? So now what will be y? Y is equal to, instead of sin x, if I use u, what will be y? Y is equal to u square. Now we are going to differentiate both these. So what will be the formula? We have to find y, is it not? So dy by dx only we are going to find out. For that, we have to differentiate y first with respect to u. So it is dy by du. Next we are going to differentiate u with respect to x. So it is du by dx. Clear about the formula, children, everyone? Now, y is with respect to u we are going to differentiate. So u squared will become 2u into sin x. If you differentiate, it will become cos x. Now substitute the value for u. What is the value for u? Sin x is the value for u. So 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. What will be the trigonometric formula for 2 sin x cos x? If you are thorough with the formula, you can write it easily. Okay. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So I have substituted instead of 2 sin x cos x as sin 2x, which is the simplification. So with this, sum number 1 is completed. Let us move on to sum number 2. This full Roman number will be based on this same formula. Clear? Cos squared x. What is your first step? We will keep y as cos squared x. Take square outside, so it becomes cos x the whole square. So let u equals cos x. So what will be y? U squared. Y will be u squared. Now write the formula. We have to find dy by dx. So which is, first we have to differentiate y with respect to u. So it will become dy by du. Then we have to differentiate u with respect to x. So it becomes du by dx. Now shall we differentiate? First, u squared, if you differentiate, you will have 2u. And cos x, if you differentiate, you will have minus sin x. Now substitute instead of u, cos x. 2 cos x into minus sin x. Now rearrange. Take minus to the front because it is all multiplication. First write sin x and then write cos x. 2 sin x cos x is, according to trigonometric formula, it is minus, this minus will come as such, minus sin 2x. So this is your final answer. After completing the sum, you have to underline the solutions. Now let us move on to third sum. Third sum is cos cube x. As usual, we will take cos cube x as y. Cos cube x. Take cube outside. So you will have cos x the whole cube. Let substitute u is equal to cos x. Okay. So what will be y? Y will be u cube. Now your formula will be, you have to find out dy by dx. So what is your formula? With respect to y, if you differentiate dy by du, and with respect to u, du by dx. Clear? So now y is u cube. If you differentiate 3u to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So which is equal to 3u 3 minus 1 is 2. So now u is cos x. Cos x, if you differentiate, you will be getting minus sin x. So instead of u, it is cos x, 3 cos x the whole square into minus sin x. Bring square inside the bracket, so you will get 3 cos squared x into minus sin x. Rearrange. Minus, we will take it to the front. So it is minus 3 sin x into cos squared x. Here I will modify this answer a little bit. So in order to substitute the trigonometric formula, minus 3 I am going to multiply and divide 2. Okay, multiply and divide 2. Minus 3 by 2 into 2 sin x into cos x into cos x. Cos squared x I am writing as cos x into cos x. So minus 2 sin x into cos x can be written as sin 2x, right? Which is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. Sin 2x into cos x. This is your final answer. So this is dy by dx. After completing the sum, underline the solution. Let us move on to sum number 4. Fourth sum is root of 1 plus x squared. We will take this as y. Y is equal to root of 1 plus x squared. So let u is equal to, we will take the expression alone, avoiding root. Okay, let u is equal to 1 plus x square. Then what will be y? Y will be root of u. Okay, now shall we write the formula? Dy by dx equals dy by du. So y we are differentiating with respect to u. Now u we are differentiating with respect to x. Du by dx. So which equals, if you differentiate u, say I am writing here separately, dy by du, that is root y is equal to root u we are going to differentiate. This root can be written as u to the power 1 by 2. Now differentiated, this 1 by 2 will come to the front. You will have 1 by 2 u to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Now take LCM. 2 will be your LCM, 1 minus 2. 1 by 2 u, 1 minus 2, you will have minus 1 by 2. Take this 1 by 2. This is in negative power, right? Are you able to understand what I am saying? This is in negative power. So you are going to bring that to the denominator. So you will have 1 by 2 u to the power 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 again goes to the symbol root. So 2 root u. So there is a direct formula in your book itself. The formula will be d by dx root x is equal to, if you differentiate a variable inside root, you will get the answer 1 by 2 root x. Here we are differentiating d by dx of root u. So root u, if you are differentiating, you will be getting the answer 1 by 2 root u. Either you can write it directly, or you can work it out in the side and you can write the answer. Your answer will be 1 by 2 root u. Now du by dx, you are going to differentiate u. Now with respect to x, if you differentiate 1 plus x squared, this is a constant term, so it becomes 0. If you differentiate x squared, it will become 2x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is your answer? Your answer will be x divided by, instead of u, you can substitute 1 plus x squared. So root of 1 plus x squared. This is your final answer, dy by dx. Okay children, let us move on to the next sum. Sum number 5. Ax squared plus bx plus c whole to the power n. We are taking this term as y as usual. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c whole to the power n. So we will have, let us u. Let u is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, if this is u, then what will be y? Y will be u to the power n. Write the formula now. Dy by dx equals dy by du. So, y we are differentiating y with respect to u, into u we are differentiating with respect to x. So, du by dx. When you differentiate u to the power n, what you will have? This n will go to the front, to the coefficient n u to the power n minus 1. Okay, into du by dx. Now, 2 will come to the front. 2a x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, plus b into x, you will have 1 plus b. This is a constant term becomes 0. So, now we will arrive at the final answer, which is equal to, just a minute, which is equal to u. Instead of u, you will substitute ax squared plus bx plus c. N into ax squared plus bx plus c whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, whole to the power n minus 1 into 2ax plus b is your final answer. This is your dy by dx. After completing the sum, underline the solution. Okay, we shall move on to sum number 6. Sine of x squared. Sine of x squared. So we will take this as y. Y is equal to sine of x squared. So what will be u now? Let u is equal to x squared. Now y will be sin u. Write the formula now. Dy by dx is equal to, so dy, y we are differentiating with respect to u. So dy by du. U we are differentiating with respect to x. So du by dx. Now, when you differentiate sin u, you will get cos u. When you differentiate x squared, you will get 2x. Now, substitute instead of u, x squared. Cos of x squared into 2x. Rearrange and write. Your dy by dx will be 2x into cos of x squared. That's all about sum number 6. And the last sum, 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. We will take this as y. Y is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. Now, what will be u here? Leaving off the root only you have to take, okay? Let u is equal to 1 plus x squared. Now, y will be 1 by root of u. Now, write the formula. Dy by dx equals with respect y with respect to u. So, dy by du, u with respect to x, du by dx. Now, differentiate this. 1 y is equal to 1 by root u. You are going to differentiate. So, dy by du equals, this root u can be written as u to the power half. Take it to the numerator. You will have u to the power minus half. Now, differentiate minus half u to the power minus half minus 1. Minus half u to the power, take LCM, minus 1 minus 2. So, minus half u to the power minus 3 by 2. So, this is your dy by du. What is the answer? Minus half u to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay children, into, if you differentiate u, 1 will become 0 and x squared will become 2x into 2x. Here I can cancel this 2 and 2. Now I am going, what is the remaining in the numerator? I will take minus x in the numerator, and u to the power minus 3 by 2, this negative power I will bring it to the denominator in order to make it as positive power. So u to the power 3 by 2. Clear children? Now what is u? U is 1 plus x squared. Substitute. Divided by 1 plus x squared of 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, this 3 by 2 I can split it as 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is only 3 by 2. See here, minus of minus 1 now. So see, take LCM and see. 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2 again. Clear? Now I am going to split this denominator in accordance to 1 plus 1 by 2. Clear? So dy by dx will be equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x squared whole to the power 1. Now the same expression to the power half. That's all. Bases are same, powers you have to add, a product rule. If you add back, you will be getting the same answer. It is just a simplification of this expression. Clear? 1 plus x squared whole to the power 1 by 2. So this is your final answer, and this 1 by 2 you can bring it inside to make it as root. Dy by dx is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x squared into root of 1 plus x squared. This is your final answer. Underline the solutions. Draw lines after each question is over. With this, exercise number 5.5 is completed. Hari Om children.